friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen Gordon's butterfly shrimp in the air fryer. So all we need is a package of butterfly breaded shrimp and the air fryer. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and now let's open the package of Gordon's butterfly shrimp. No need to defrost. Air fryer cooks it perfectly straight from frozen. And now let's put butterfly breaded shrimp in the air fryer in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this butterfly shrimp. So nicely browned and so crispy. Did you hear the crunch? It looks amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now all air fryers cook differently, so if your shrimp is not as nicely browned as this, you can always cook it for another minute or two until it looks just like that. Perfectly crispy breading. Looks so good. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love breaded shrimp. So good. Perfect. The breading is so crunchy and the shrimp inside is so moist and juicy. You will love it. Air fryer makes it perfect. It just tastes like breaded shrimp from the restaurant, and air fryer is a perfect tool to make it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!